Do you know that what is the most horrible thing in the life of an Amazon seller? Yes, you got it right. Negative review. Because if any of the Amazon seller get only one negative review on the listing, then it can actually drops down the sales rank, BSR, sales, and can affect on the account health as well. And do you know the fact that if you want to overcome the effect of one negative review, you must have to get at least 8 positive reviews so you can just get your overall rating back. Confusing? Let me explain you. For example, you are an Amazon seller and your listing is new, and after the hard work of 1 month, you have got 25-star reviews on your listing. But unfortunately, after those 25-star review, you get only one review, one negative review. So that one negative review can actually bring your overall rating from 5-star to maybe 4.5 star or 4.4 star. So to make that rating overall from 4.4 star to 5 star again, you must have to get at least 8 5-star review. So your overall rating on the first page of Amazon will show like 5 star. So that's why getting one negative review is the worst thing on Amazon private label. And in this video, I'm gonna explain you the way from which you can actually avoid getting negative reviews on your Amazon listing. So if you want to learn that how to avoid negative reviews on your Amazon FBA listing, then keep on watching this short video completely till the end, step by step, because this is a proven method which I personally use on many of my listings, and that actually helps me a lot to avoid negative reviews on my listings. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and a cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and on Amazon website, I have searched for a product under bed storage containers with wheel. So in this video, I'm going to take this product as an example to show you, like for example, if you want to launch this product, so how you will do the working at your site to avoid the negative reviews. So before starting that process, we first need to do some working and find out that what are the basic factors for this particular product which can actually lead to negative reviews. And these factors can be different for every product, so you have to repeat the same step with your product to find out the main reasons for that particular product which are bringing negative reviews, right? So to do that, you have to go on Amazon and type for the keyword of your product and search for that product, and after searching that keyword, you will be able to see many of the listing of competitors who are actually selling the same product, right? So from there, we have to pick at least 2 or 3 competitors who are actually getting good sales, having lot of reviews, and they are actually good competitors of yours. Because in any business, researching your competitors can actually save you from big loss, right? So let's just go down and try to find out any 2 of the competitor. Like this one, you can see that this competitor is having 400 plus sales and 341 reviews. And if I go down, so I can just check out this one. So now we have opened 2 listings of the competitor which we think that's selling the same product as our product. And now before start reviewing or reading their reviews, we first need to understand like what this product is and for what purpose people will purchase that product. So in short, we need to study the nature of that product. So basically this product is under bed storage container. Like these are the container, and people can use these containers to store their socks, clothes, pants or shoes as well, right? So these are the storage container which you need to put under the bed, and these are having wheels in it because I have added the word with wheel at the end of the keyword, right? So if you scroll down and check out some other images of this product, so we can see that in this container people can put their stuff, and after putting that stuff, they can actually cover it with zip, and after covering with zip, they can actually slide this container under their bed with the help of wheels. So now at this stage, from my mind, I can say that if I am the buyer of this product, so I must be concerned about 2 things. Number 1, the quality of these wheels, because these wheels will be using day by day every time when we pull out this product under the bed and when we put it back under the bed. And the second most usable thing in this product is that zip, which we open and close every time when we put something inside this container and when we take out something from this container. So if the quality of zip is not good, or if the quality of these wheels will not be good, then after using this product for 1 month, no matter how good the quality of this product is, if the chain and the wheel are of bad quality, then this product will be worse. So basically, in my opinion, if we ask our supplier to use a good quality zip and good quality wheels, then the chances for getting negative reviews will be 90% less, and we can only get positive reviews, and that will not disturb our sales, our seller rank and our profit, right? So now after studying this product manually from our brain, we must have to read the reviews of competitor and check out their reviews and find out the reason like why people are giving some negative reviews to them. because if we find any of the competitor listing, we can find 5-star reviews as well, we can find 4-star, and we can find 1-star reviews as well. So now in this practice, we only have to find 1-star reviews and read and check out like what is the reason behind them, so we can make those things better in our product, right? So to study the reviews, we must have to click on this rating, like 3, 4, 1 ratings. So after clicking on that, I will be able to scroll down suddenly at the end of this page, and from the left side, if I click on 1 star, then I will be able to see only those reviews which are 1 star, right? So after clicking on that, on the left side you can see that all of the 1-star reviews are in front of me, so we can actually read them one by one to find out like what is the thing which people don't like about this competitor product, right? So the first review is bought a 2-pack but only sent 1. So this is the mistake of the supplier or the seller, like they are mentioning on a listing that they will send pack of 2, but when someone purchases, he receives a pack of 1, right? So basically this is not a problem for the product, this is a problem from the packaging side, and that can be human error from a seller or supplier. So now we can scroll down and read out the second review, which is so small. So it says that this product is expensive and the units are ridiculously small. I purchased them to store my husband's size 12 shoes under our bed, and I would have been lucky to get 3 pairs in each unit. I am returning them because they are so small. So this is the second review, and after reading this review, I can understand that while purchasing that product from this store, people are basically considering a big size in their mind, but when they receive, they will see the small size. So to overcome this issue and to avoid getting negative review from this reason, all you have to do is you have to clearly mention in your images the size of the product, and this review is basically 2 months old, and I have seen on a listing that after that this seller has actually changed the images, and on the images he have mentioned the size as well. If we can see the fourth image, so here we can see that the dimensions are clearly mentioned, like 4.6 inch, 23.6 inch and 15.6 inch, and here he has made a Coca-Cola can as well to just show that the height of that storage container is equal to the Pepsi can, so no one can get the false expectation about the size of that product, about the stuff they are going to store in that. So I can clearly see here that if the height of that storage container is equal to the Coca-Cola can, so I cannot store my shoes in it, but I can store my shirts, my jeans and some other small products which I use in my daily life, right? So now go back again on this review page and scroll down and read some other reviews. So here in this third reviews, you can see that the review is regarding missing wheels and super tiny, right? So as I said that the quality of chain and quality of wheels must be good because these are the two main foundation of this product. So after reading this review, you will be able to understand that people are having issue with the wheel size, and this person has actually got the product with missing wheel. So basically this is a super powerful method from which you can actually spend 10 to 15 minutes on any of your competitor listing, and after reading 1-star reviews, you will be able to understand in advance like what are the issues buyer usually face with this kind of product, so you can actually read those issues and communicate with your supplier or manufacturer and try to resolve those issues and try to make sure that your buyer will not face these kind of issues, so you can actually avoid getting negative reviews which you can get in future. And if you avoid getting negative reviews, then you know that how much benefit it will give you and how much sales you can get if you are having only 5-star positive reviews. So I hope after watching this video, you will go on your competitor listing, read their reviews and improve the quality of your product to get good reviews. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.